And this is why you want to be careful with your power tools. So I was using my grinder, and if I would have actually had the shield on my grinder, I don't think this would have happened, because my finger touched the back end of the blade where the shield normally goes on my hand grinder. So it's not that bad. But put some peroxide on there. Kind of cleaned up, used the nail clippers to get away like the burnt skin that was around there. Now we're about to put some new skin on this. So let me see if we can get it. It's maybe, I don't know, it's maybe like an 1/8 inch deep or something, maybe 3/16 or something. Got a little bit of meat there. I don't know what this is gonna feel like though with the freaking, I got my girl over here helping me. I don't know what it's gonna feel like with the new skin. It's probably gonna burn. Hold on a second. Why? I ain't ready. I ain't ready. Let me see it. It's the Meyer brand. Hopefully it's not as strong. Liquid bandage. Okay. Alright, here we go. Do that shit. Oh shit! Ah! Oh yeah, it works! Oh shit, it burns bad. I don't know if it's supposed to...
Yeah, it burns.
Oh my god, it's still burning. Hold this real quick. I'm gonna freaking push on it to like close it up a little bit. Yeah, it burned for a second. Well, long as it still burns actually. Is this the same as like super glue?
No.
No?
I mean, I guess it's
Probably cheaper, huh?
similar to
Super glue cheaper? I got super glue, right?
You're not putting super glue on your finger.
I don't know if I should like close it like this and then like let it go, because then it's just gonna pull back apart. Maybe I should just like let it like new skin itself inside my joints, inside my cut. Okay, do I put a Band-Aid on it now or do I leave it like that?
You're gonna put the Band-Aid on it.
Oh, blood's coming through. Oh no, it's not working.
It's not bad.
Let me see this one.
I still need a Bandage on.
Okay. Alright, cool. Thank you for your assistance. Oh yeah. Be careful of power tools, people. Oh yeah, that's right. KSJ new was it's KSJ with something new today. Oh, I'm dropping. It's dripping. All right, until next time.